Alright, lovelies. I've just turned up at a customer's house. Here's his computer. And it's about 10:30 at night. And basically the speakers weren't working. I've sold him a computer. He's plugged his own speakers in and they don't work. But then I've turned up and literally texted me and said, the speakers still don't work. It's like 2 days on. He was trying to resolve it himself and I said, you know what, I'll just come down. It's 10:30, I'm not bothered. So I've turned up and we've got it working. Because you see my ugly little face on YouTube there. Basically, when we press that play, boom, it's working. Look at that, 5 years in business, lovely jubbly. Near drop phone. But yeah, that's my Monday evening, just helping a customer sorted.